In this video, I am going to show you how to scrape targeted LinkedIn email from Google. No worry guys, it's completely free. Hey there, it's Sabek here. Welcome to my channel. So guys, let's dive in. Guys, at first go to your Chrome browser and open Google search bar. You can see guys, I already search on Google. At first you type site linkedin.com/in/. To be specific that I am looking only linkedin.com. That's why I type LinkedIn. Then space and type double quotation and I have searched targeted job title CEO. Then again double quotation and space. Now again double quotation. At that moment I have already typed my targeted location California, then put comma and space. I targeted my country United States, then again double quotation and space. Now I put gmail.com. guys, if you want you can edit another email format like yahoo.com, outlook.com, hotmail, whatever you want you put on your box. So guys, click enter. To be specific guys, they provide Los Angeles, California, United States, person Rodrigo Jesus, CEO. This is the another person, Robert is the CEO, California, United States, and I have find his Gmail. This is the email address. We have find another Gmail, this person. Can you see guys, I have find 100 search result on this page. But if you don't find 100 search result, you can click 3 dot and click extension and visit Chrome Web Store. After visit this page, you find search box. You can type Google results. You just click this extension. Guys, I already added this Chrome extension of my Chrome browser. That's why I don't again edit this extension. After added this Chrome extension, you can simply go to your previous page. Guys, after added Google 100 search extension, you can pin this extension. I already pin here and reload this page. Guys, now we should extract email address from this page. So guys, again go to Chrome Web Store and search email extractor. You just click this one. I already added this extension on my Chrome browser. If you don't edit this Chrome extension, you just simply click here and edit Chrome extension on your browser. Now we go to our previous page. Guys, now we pin this extension. Click pin and click this icon. Can you see guys, they provide 32 email address of this page. You can easily copy all email address and you can easily paste your email address, Excel file, CSV format or Google spreadsheet. I just paste my email address. Yeah, can you see guys, I already 32 email addresses on my Google spreadsheet. Now back to our previous page and scroll down and click next page. Can you see guys, this page email extractor provide only 13 email. You can click copy all, paste your whatever you want to save. I want to paste here. Guys, now I want to change email format my Google search box. And now I type Yahoo. Guys, if you want, you can edit any city, any country, any location, whatever you want, you can choose. And now click search. Can you see guys, now they provide yahoo.com email. Email extractor showing 36 email. You can simply copy all email address and paste your sheet, whatever you want. And you can scroll down and visit next page and collect email address easily. That I have already show you how to edit email address from Google. I hope this video is helpful for you. Make sure to subscribe this channel if you don't miss my next video. Also, if you have any query, don't forget to ask in the comment box. If you need any help, don't forget to ask in the comment box. And also write your comment which scraping tutorial video do you need. I will create a video on my YouTube channel for you. So guys, see you soon in the next video.